Everybody's seen this video, right? Y'all make me try the weirdest stuff. Well, I wanted to try making a version that I actually might want to eat. No offense. So I'm using chili and Fritos to make a Frito pie. And who knows, it might be the perfect entree for the big game. I don't know cook times, I don't know temperatures, we're just gonna roll with it. Frozen pie crust. Chili, pepper jack, mozzarella, a little cheddar. I want some kind of binder, so I'm using this egg and I'm just gonna kind of mix it in. Hopefully that'll stabilize it a little bit. I'm just stirring it up in the pie crust because I'm saving dishes today. So y'all are gonna have thoughts about this. Well, at least it looks better than the SpaghettiO pie. This is pretty liquidy. I just wonder if I'll be able to get all the liquid to cook out. Y'all have any other tips? Add some cornstarch maybe? Never fear, canned chili is here. Oh, y'all are gonna hate this. I just know it. Time for the Fritos. Here's where we use that elbow action. Let's do a little more cheese and a gorgeous corn chip crust. How much is too much? Let me know. I will be very proud of this if it works. Into a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. Y'all, I don't know. I'm just as confused as you are. It has now been almost an hour because it just didn't look ready. I mean, most pies cook for an hour, right? This is a total experiment. I just wanted to stay in pie form because you never actually see them take a slice out. Like, what does it look like on the inside? Smells like crispy Fritos. Oh, she is gorgeous. Perfect portions. I think this actually worked. I'm like, worst case scenario, it's Frito dip. You just get after it with chips. Y'all, that's even more beautiful than I expected. Now time to dress you up. Make it look cute for game day. Some sour cream, guac, fresh little pico. Anything you want really, or everything you want. Jalapeno for those who like it hot. A little more cheese, maybe. No, that ruined it. Take it back. Queso drizzle? Why not? This is too much fun. I love this thing. This stayed together so much better than I expected. Frito pie. Boom. You got the crunchy, cheesy, crispy, and I didn't even think you would notice the pie crust, but the way it holds it all together, essential. Y'all give me your thoughts on this. If you think it's crazy, if you would try it, or if it's just as nuts as SpaghettiO pie. Thank y'all so much for watching and keeping up with all the things going on in my kitchen. I couldn't do this without y'all, and I will be enjoying this for the next few dinners. Oh, I forgot my cast iron was in there. Oops. It's like SpaghettiO pie, Frito pie.
Spread it around, make sure the chunks are all spread equal.
She had to say the word chunks.
Good. Who doesn't like spaghetti Italian? Garlic.
Did you just call it Italian? Forearms, why forearms?
No child wants to eat crust. I don't care who you are.
Oh, thank goodness there's no
kid
crust.
wants that. Small dash of milk, just enough to get it kind of juicy.
Juicy!
I kind of eyeball. This is my best one yet.
Best one yet.
Gosh.
Shish kebab.
Done.